Hello children, now you are going to learn a new lesson, congruence of triangles. You have already learned that what are the different kinds of triangles in the previous lesson. Now you are going to learn what are congruence. Okay, congruence means it is equal or yes, that means it is equal. Okay, you look at the identical shapes. Okay, when you are taking a stamp, when you are over keeping stamps together, you will get the same measurement or it will be overlapped. It will not, the edge will not, you can't see the edges, otherwise it will be overlapped. Okay, that will form a pipe. It will not, the edge will not look അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പുറത്തേക്കൊന്നും തള്ളി നിൽക്കില്ല. So that is identical shapes. For example, the leaves of or pages of a notebook or textbook, it will be in the same shape. That is identical. We will tell if two twins are same, we will tell them identical twins. Okay, so that's it. Okay, when you are drawing a plane figure or line segment, you are drawing a line segment AB and line segment CD by measuring. Suppose it is 5 cm or this is also 5 cm. When you are cutting this and cut and or trace it and keep it over this, then you will get, you will see only one picture, one line. Okay, that is congruence of lines. So this congruence will write like this: AB congruence to CD, line segment AB congruence to line segment CD. Now what is congruence of angles? Suppose you are drawing an angle 45 degree here and another 45 degree here. Okay, 45 degree. How will you draw an angle? You will draw a line, then you will keep the protractor here and mark 45 degree and you will draw a line here. Okay, this can extend that much as you like. It is 3 but when you cut this and keep it over this, you will get ABC will be overlapped PQR. But it will be extended. But this side, this portion will be overlapped. ഇതിന്റെ തൊട്ട് മേലെ വെച്ച ഇത് സെയിം ആയിട്ട് കാണും. So that means this is the angles measure ആണ് നോക്കുന്നത്. We are not considering the length of the arms. Arms നോക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. So these are what congruence angles. These both are congruence. ABC is congruent to angle PQR. Angle PQR. You don't worry about the length of the arm. Arm etra different ayalum, the angle will be same. It will be overlapped by this. So these are congruence. Suppose you are drawing another angle 40 and it is 60 degree. When you cut this 60 degree and if you are keeping over this, you will not get like this. That will be this side it will be like this. Okay, this you can see through this circle. So this is not a congruent. Congruent is the same thing. It should be overlapped. Okay. Now these are the primary things about the lines and angles. So you are going to learn about the congruence of triangles. So what are congruent triangles? How it will happen? Children, consider this triangle and I will take one more triangle. This is another triangle. If you keep these two triangles together, you will get like this. I mean, random same overlapping. It is So these are congruent triangle. Both have the same side and the same angle. So such triangles are called congruent triangles. So if three sides are equal, such triangles are called congruence or triangle, and we will tell that there is a criteria for congruence of triangles. This criteria is side, side, side. That means SSS. Okay, and I drew these two triangles here, A, B, and C. This is P, Q, R. AB is equal to 5 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm, AC is equal to 6 cm. So there are three vertices, there are three sides. The corresponding vertex of A is P. Corresponding vertex of A is P, and B is Q, and C is R. That means AB and side PQ and side both are same now. So A is the starting point here and P is the starting point here. So these are identical or corresponding to each other. And B is corresponding to Q, C is corresponding to R. And likewise, sides are also corresponding sides are AB and PQ because both are 5 cm. BC is corresponding to QR and AC is corresponding to PR. These are the corresponding parts, corresponding vertex, corresponding side. These are known as corresponding parts of a congruent triangle. CPCT. That is the smallest. Short form of the this corresponding parts of congruence triangle. Short form on a CPCT. Okay. Then criteria 1, I told you there are three criteria. First one is side, side, side. When three sides of a triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then both triangles are said to be congruent and the corresponding sides will be equal. And I will give more example for you. You can draw a triangle like this, 5.5, 3.4, and you want to draw 5 cm. The third side is 5 cm. Can you draw any other triangle like this? Let us try. You are drawing another triangle like this, 5.5 here and 3.4 here. Then what is this side? Will it be 5 cm? You can measure? No, it is not 5 cm. It is another form of the triangle. So two sides equal, third side will not be equal. Third side should be equal. Then only we will tell both triangles are congruent. But two sides equal and third side equal. We can draw like this, and we can draw like this too. 5.5, 3.4. This won't be 5 cm. This 5 cm. So we have three different forms of triangles, but we have two sides equal in all these triangles, but third side is not equal. So it is not congruent. It should be like this itself. ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ ആവണം. So you will get only if three sides are equal, then only you will get the congruence triangle. Okay. So what is the SSS? If under a given correspondence the three sides of a triangle of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are said to be congruent. Now let us check the next congruence, SAS. SAS. First one is SSS, that means side, side, side. Now SAS, side, angle, side. Okay. We are drawing a line 5.5 centimeter, and you can draw a triangle using this. You are drawing a triangle like this. 5.5 centimeter, and you are taking here 65 degrees, something like that, and here you are drawing 3.4 centimeter. Okay. Then what will happen? You have drawn two sides already, and there is an angle between this 65 degree. Can you draw another triangle with the same measurement, and the third side will be equal? Will it be equal? Let us check. You are drawing. Here we are given two sides and one angle. We are drawing another triangle. 5.5 centimeter and 3.4 centimeter, and here 65 degree. Okay. And another triangle I am drawing like this itself. ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഒരു triangle വരയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ I have get the same length. Okay. But when we are measuring this side, this side with that side not equal ano? No, it won't be equal, because the angle is 65 is here in this triangle, but in this triangle the angle 65 is not to the given sides, not common to the given sides. That means when you are having two sides equal and the two sides equal of two triangles, when you are taking two triangles, you are getting 5.5 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter, and you are drawing 65 here itself. Then this side will be equal. These two triangles will be equal because we have taken the angle between the angle made by the given sides. നമുക്ക് തന്ന സൈഡ്സിൻ്റെ നടുക്കുള്ള ആംഗിളാണ് നമ്മൾ 65 എടുത്തത്. So these triangles will be equal. These triangles won't be equal because we have taken the angle not between the given sides. തന്നിട്ടുള്ള ഈക്വൽ സൈഡ്സിൻ്റെ നടുക്കുള്ളതല്ല നമ്മൾ വരച്ചത്. So it won't be equal. Okay. So when you are given two sides and the angles made by these two sides, that triangle will be equal to the another triangle with the same measurement. So this is known as SAS, side, angle, side. If under a correspondence two sides and the angle included between them, the angle included between them of another triangle, then the triangle are said to be congruent. And the third one is angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. Okay, is it clear? If you are given two sides and the angle should be between this itself. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഇടയിൽ 65 ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ 65 ഇട്ടിട്ട് ഇവിടെ 60 ആണെങ്കിൽ it won't be equal. It should be 65. The given sides, അതായത് given equal sides 65. ഇവിടെ 4 centimeter കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുക. ഇവിടെ 4 centimeter കിട്ടില്ല. You will not get 4 അല്ല. This may be 6 or 7, 6.5 something. So it won't get because this angle is taken in another not between the given equal sides. Equal sides in the naduvilla. So this won't be congruent. This would be congruent. This is side angle side. This is side angle side. Side angle side. Remember this, side between the angle and another side. Okay. And the last but least, angle side angle side angle. You are given a triangle with the 40 and 5 centimeter. Another triangle 40 and 5 centimeter. This will be congruent. But we are taking another triangle like this, 40, 5 centimeter. This won't be congruent. This will be congruent. This won't be congruent. Why? Because angle side angle. If you are given two angles, ഇത് 40 ആവണമെന്നില്ല കേട്ടോ, 40 50 ആവണം. Okay. If you are given a line, a side, and at the end of the side the angles are equal. Suppose the angles are equal, these triangles are said to be congruent. I will draw in another way also. Why this is not congruent? Why? Because the given side in the given side similar sides are here. This is another measurement. This is another measurement. So 4 centimeter end this one. This is at the end of the 5 centimeter. It should also be 5 centimeter end. Already this body 4 centimeter end. Okay. So that means when we are given a side and the angles at the end of this side, two sides are equal of two triangles. Two sides are equal. Suppose two sides are equal of two triangles and the angles at the end of the same side, equal sides, are equal, then the triangles are said to be congruent. I'll give the name ABC and XYZ. So we can tell ABC, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. I'll draw one more picture here. It's P 5 centimeter, 40, 50, and this is Q, this is R. Can you tell these two triangles are congruent? Yes or no? No. Why? 5, the same sides, look at the same side. BC is similar to PQ. BC is similar to PQ. And at the end of the B, there are 40, P in the end 40. And at the end of C, 50 and Q in the end 50. So, this triangle is so these are also congruent. But how will you name the triangle? Triangle ABC, triangle BCA. We can tell BCA is congruent to B corresponding, which is the corresponding side of B, P. P corresponding side of C, sorry, vertex C, vertex is Q. That is 50. So, B cardinal, B instead of B we have P, and instead of C we have Q, and last R. So, BCA is congruent to PQ. Like this also you can write this or draw this. So, you check whether there is a side, equal sides, not the angles equal, whether these are equal to this. And name. Okay. So this is AS, angle side angle. Here also angle. side angle. Okay, angle, side angle. The last one, actually these are three important things, and the congruence among right angle triangle. What is right angle criterion? RHS congruence. If hypotenuse and one side of a triangle are equal, right angle triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of another triangle, then they are congruent. Okay. Hypotenuse is 7 cm. Here also 7 cm. Here 4 cm. Here also 4 cm. If hypotenuse and one side of a right angled triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of another right angled triangle, then they are congruent. That means if the two equal, third will be automatically equal, but because there is a relation between base, altitude and hypotenuse, base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. So it should be equal. It should be equal. The third side will be equal. So two sides equal ആണ് ഒരു right angle triangle. If two sides only are equal, then third side automatically will be equal, and these triangles are said to be congruent triangle. So that's all for this lesson. Hope you have understood the criteria of right angled triangles congruence. SAS, ASA and right angled triangle criteria. So these are for only the things you are learning in this lesson, and hope you understood everything. Thank you, children.